Hello there, Anders Larsson here, and welcome to my channel. And if you are new, don't forget to hit the like and share buttons, as well as turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. But please only do that if what I will teach you today have any meaning to you. So today I have a video about 5 signs your manufacturing business needs Odoo ERP. But before we get started, I'm sure that most of us are here because we are looking for ways to make extra money or start a business that will help us build a successful and stable future. I want to share my story before you click away. So I was stuck in a 9-to-5 grind and wanted to start affiliate marketing so I could eventually quit and be my own boss. I had big dreams, but I wanted to believe that I could run a successful online business. I wanted a safe future, and my lack of experience led me to failure after failure. It wasn't easy. I was on my own, and even with all the research and help, I still failed. In 2019, an experienced online marketer who had been doing this for a long time suggested that I use the same program she used. She told me the things to me that I'm talking about to you in this video. You need the right skills. So I made a big decision and enrolled in the same system she used. And the best option for me, which has been aiding me understand how to succeed with an online business, is the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. Originally called the 15 Core Steps when I joined in 2019. This $7 investment is not only a training program, but also the system's most crucial product, because this is where you start to believe in your business and learn to help people. As someone who has tried it before, I know how hard and overwhelming it can be when you try something without a clear path to follow or no path at all, because I've been there. That is why I'm here to show you the direction and clearer path I follow through my free video training. Anyhow, without further ado, my friend Eugene will take over and talk about 5 signs your manufacturing business needs Odoo ERP. Over to you, Eugene.
Thank you, Anders. One of the business sectors with the fastest current growth is manufacturing. Additionally, a large number of manufacturers are currently dealing with a plethora of obstacles and problems as a result of rising consumer expectations and technological improvements. It is getting harder and harder to manage daily business operations and activities in manufacturing companies with manual resources. And it is at this point that these manufacturing companies must put together their daily company activities, which a tiny staff cannot manage. This is also the time when these companies need to rely on reliable software programs like Odoo ERP, which is made to increase organizational effectiveness, automate processes, and assist these manufacturing companies in achieving thriving growth quickly. Within a manufacturing company, Odoo ERP provides a plethora of advantages, including low-cost task management techniques, centralized data storage, quick customer service, better productivity in less time, simple product scheduling, and more. To comprehend the warning indications that your manufacturing firm also needs a reputable Odoo implementation company to integrate and deploy the ERP, you must first determine the difficulties and issues your company is now dealing with. Here are some potential difficulties your company might run into. Continuous scheduling problems for production. With your antiquated techniques and manual resources, you can run into scheduling issues for manufacturing as consumer needs rise. Master Production Planning, or MPS, is a module in Odoo ERP that aids in simple and automated production scheduling. It aids in accurate delivery and the creation of appropriate manufacturing strategies. This promptly satisfies the needs of the present-day consumer. Inadequate management of your company's inventory. Your inventory counts could suffer if you don't have control over your company's inventory. A surplus of inventory can require greater storage space. However, a lack of inventory can simply stop production, delay client deliveries, lead to dissatisfied customers, and increase the cost of expedited shipment. Here, Odoo ERP steps in to assist you gain complete visibility and control over your inventories. These aspects are managed by a distinct inventory module in the ERP. When a product is not delivered on schedule, making large quantities of products will no longer be challenging with Odoo ERP. Faster production is the outcome of Odoo's automation of the manufacturing and production processes. Once more, this leads in the manufactured goods being delivered on time. When your operating expenses are excessive, operating costs can be simply increased by utilizing numerous out-of-date software systems and an excessive amount of manual labor. Additionally, employing an all-encompassing, cutting-edge ERP system like Odoo can be a financially sensible choice because it can automate and manage all business activities on a single, unified platform, lowering total operational and maintenance expenses. Sluggish and inefficient production performance. It's time to install Odoo into your system if your manufacturing processes are sluggish and ineffective and aren't functioning effectively with your manual resources and conventional procedures. This will improve the productivity and efficiency of your entire company. In addition to these warning indicators, your manufacturing company also needs an all-in-one integrated and reliable ERP solution like Odoo because of accounting difficulties and subpar customer assistance. Alright, over to you, Anders.
Nice video clip, Eugene. Thanks for sharing. So the system I use offers a great education, and it gives you a lot of knowledge of the basics that you need if you truly want to establish a business from home. All that begins with affiliate marketing. With this kind of work, you can earn a passive income using a laptop or your phone from home. But it's hard for newbies to make money because they don't really know what it's like. People say that you only have yourself, which isn't really a lie. You are the only one that can make your business grow and succeed. What you need to do is get people to come to your videos or your website, to your content. You know, one of the most important and hardest things you need to do to get results is drive traffic. There are a lot of things that you have to learn. A lot of the people who watch my videos are looking for something simple and easy. They want something where they can jump right in and quickly make their money back. They may think they can generate profit without having to put in a lot of work, but the truth is they end up spending a lot of time studying and come to understand that they know very little. There is a lot of work to be done for those who want to succeed. The truth is that building your brand takes time. It takes time to gain a following. It takes time to build your email list. This is something that online gurus don't want to tell you. I'm not afraid to tell you this because I want you to have as much information as possible before you decide to start an online business. By showing you that I'm real and honest, I might be able to point you in the right direction and suggest the same system I use, which has the right digital training for you to get started. I will put a link in the description if you want to look into it. Decide to make an investment in yourself and take appropriate action that you will later thank yourself for. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Stay awesome, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.